Alright, so not a lot of news this week. No news Monday. Tuesday's gonna be nice. Tuesday, Tuesday 10 a.m. Wednesday, orange folders. Thursday, GDP. Friday, PCE. So should provide a lot of range and trading. Monday, news, but we got a huge move down, so it could get still some volatility. But yeah, times to avoid trading are just intraday, out of time zone, out of. Next week we got non-farm payroll. So yeah, just keeping that in mind. This week is also the monthly candle closure. But on the monthly charts, here we go. So I'm just gonna mark out the monthly high here. And then it's like the next swing low. Hard time frame draw liquidity there. Yeah, not much. We're still inside of yesterday's range, or yes, last month's range. Whatever. So yeah, Dow Jones came up, failed to displace higher, shifted down. Actually didn't shift down on the weekly, but on the daily definitely. And now looking like we're gonna shift here. So we are perfectly bouncing off that weekly fair value gap into the order block. That's really interesting. And the flows for Qs were kind of bullish for Friday, like oddly very bullish. And Russell was really bullish, like crazy bullish. What the heck? Russell's crazy bullish. That's weird. Um, okay. But yeah, so far we are respecting that weekly fair value gap. This seems to be definitely an area of interest. What the heck? Have I been doing this wrong all the time? No, that was weird. Alright. Yeah, this is a really nice level there. We displaced through this old one. So, which one is that? Yellow. But all this is irrelevant. Some of the stuff's in there still. Alright. Yeah, this seems like a really nice level there. Let me just quickly look at muscle. Yeah, nice. So yeah, I doubt I'd trade today. Now that I've seen it. Okay. But yeah, we did completely displace below those equal lows. Now we're totally closing into that weekly fair value gap, I'd be really interested to see what happens Sunday here. If we just literally gap or like open and then just immediately rebalance this, that would make a lot of sense to me. Let me just look at the weekend Wall Street, see if there is something. Time two. Yeah, not much. It looks like it's barely moved. Let's look at NASDAQ since it had bullish flows. Nope, nothing there. Interesting. It's interesting that nothing's happened. Wow, Russell is slightly up. Well, not really anything. All right. Um, yeah, I want to see this XRP trade to kind of play out here soon. Hopefully, I don't like how it's holding these lows. On a side note. But yeah, we did displace on the daily and the weekly, but yeah, now we got to develop some sort of range. Basically, we just want to see what happens overnight to Monday. There's no point in like over analyzing this right now for me. These are some daily levels that might hold. But this is like a balanced price range, weekly, like this could totally be an area to hold. And these highs are really smooth, so it would make sense to just like V bottom just way out of here really quickly for me. So especially with non-farm payroll next week, it's like kind of put in a bottom and then just like get a rip on the higher time frame. We'll see though if we get it. Yeah, this is just such a big range though. There's just not much. It's really just seeing what happens into this low and then looking for comparisons on the other charts first. So YM displacements. Displacements lower last week. Lower, but we literally closed and respected that the weekly fair value gap onto the high time frame order block. So yeah, just gonna look for SMT. I think we already have it. Zoom out quick. All right, so we've taken out the low. Yep. So we definitely have SMT here. Definitely all we need to really look for is SMT there. So this low is kind of the area of interest. So yeah, just looking for some sort of SMT. Does seem like ES would want to like take out these smooth lows here, and I'd want to see NASDAQ hold up in there. So yeah, NQ looking for that high time frame SMT with ES as usual. But wait a second. NASDAQ never came and took out the all-time high. ES neither did either. What the hell did I just do? SPY took out the all-time high. And just taking a look at, yeah, same thing on Dow Jones Industrial Average. Relative equal highs, all-time highs, clear as day. Basically relative equal highs highs here on QQQ. So I would expect a deeper sweep if we did come back up here. And then on Russell, very obvious relative equal highs on all of this. But yeah, I'm looking for this to bounce here. It could end up souping this though. I mean, these are pretty relatively equal lows. And we'd get a manipulation long. We get Russell sweeping these, and then we come for a higher low, and then boom, we get like the next few weeks a huge long opportunity, I think, for at least back up above this range. So I think Russell, look for swing longs, swing IWM. Yeah, there's going to be some really crazy opportunities in longs on Russell. So I'm going to keep an eye on that for swing trades. That's going to be awesome. Otherwise, yeah, just looking for shorts though. The flows were bullish though. Yeah, it's not a bad idea to keep looking for longs. Flow and tide were continually bearish though on SPY, so I don't think it's over yet. It's just we may be still near a reversal really like in the next few days. All right. Yes. Yeah, just looking for these lows here or here to be swept. I don't really need that. I'm just going to send an alert here. And yeah, go back to the monthly. Monthly took out the prior month high. Weekly made relative equal highs and took it out, but basically held it. Lots of relative equal highs up here. Last week, yeah, we've just rebalanced this. Definitely looking for this week's. I would look for this low to be taken, most likely, just based on the weekly. And then, yeah, daily, this could hold. We could come all the way down to this wick. I think this daily fair value gap may actually be in play still. We made S&T in there before. Yeah, same thing as everything else though up here. There's lots of junk stuff. Alright. This level here. And then we have an invert there. I don't think this is necessary. I'm gonna watch this inversion fair value gap though. The daily there. I think this level could still be interesting below this low here. This is just the, what is that? Back. Why it's here. I don't know what it's. Yeah, just gonna see how we react at these smooth lows. We could even come all the way down to this low and then give that S&P and NASDAQ. And that would line up with crypto too. Alright, yeah, and then just the higher time frame drawn liquidity, so we're just gonna look for a higher time frame. Right now let's just look for shorts. Still looking for shorts. Let me just write that in my right now shorts are still in play. Need to take some more lows out most likely, but a bullish reversal is definitely near, if there is gonna be one, close on IWM and QQQ. We're very obviously bullish from Friday. So keep eyes peeled for that swing trade long calls on QQQ or R2 or IWM for at least a few weeks of a trade north. So if we really create the SMT like intraday, then yeah, I could try 0DT, but yeah. If it's a higher time frame SMT, then yeah, I should get a bit of time. All right, maybe for end of next week. Yeah. Back to ES. Um, smooth low still looks it wants to take for reversing. That old daily for value gap may also still be an area of interest since we respected it earlier and SMT in there. Yeah, higher time for SMT on there. SPY. Yeah, this is gonna be nice. This is where we made SMT prior. SPY already in a nice little wick here though. So this could already be ready. There's no SMT though. So yeah, I'd actually probably still look for that low then. There is SMT obviously on the Dow. But oh, you know, there still is SMT here. We may have to look for short-term SMT. Problem is, yeah, this could really go. This could still really go. We got equal lows down here too. So yeah, not gonna try to catch a falling knife. IWM might want that low. So yeah, ES. Yeah. Honestly, that's basically everything. Yeah, IWM was like insanely bullish. That is crazy. Negative. We never see that amount of premium in recent history. The last time we saw that was the 3rd. What happened on the 3rd? February 3rd? This huge. Yeah, this could literally be bottom out of here. That's insane. I'm gonna post that right here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna really be eyeing for that reversal in Russell. Just need to see. Let's just finish marking this chart up. It's just too ugly. Still, got SMT there. We suit that. I don't know. Probably deleted some information. What? Indicator error. I don't know which indicator. Whatever. yeah, displacement, relative equal highs, same thing as whatchamacallit. Those highs aren't. These are too smooth to really care too much about this high. It could easily. I mean, if it came up and manufactured it, then yeah, but most likely won't do that for it. All right. Is there a higher time frame? So yeah, this could still come down here to this order block C, but to take out this low. So many little buttons. All right. Someday I just need to restart this. All right. I mean, it did bounce here before. Took out the low. Relative equal lows here, right into the close. So we'll mark that out for now. Other than that, yeah, we still have that. We're just kind of in an area of interest where we are right now on everything. So we just need to see what happens and see smaller time frame. So into the close, did we have any bullishness? Did any look? So far Nasdaq's made a lower low, so that's don't care about that yet. And we made a lower low here in Russell, so don't care about that yet either. But we could get some SMT here right into the open. That's very possible. So I may watch that, just the open and then Asia, but I doubt I'll take any trades off of that just because the higher time frame is just unclear still. And we could keep going down before we go up, like into the Monday open. All right, I think that's it though. I'm looking for possible reversal if we get the SMTs right, but right now everything is just saying still look for shorts. So yeah, I just want. It looks like ES just wants those lows. It just now they're all relatively equal lows. Just definitely wants to see it there. So, and I'm not gonna trust any of these right now. Yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe there's gonna be some like bounce. It could, yeah, it could very well be a short. Just not really my type of short. And yeah, I don't want to see Russell come up above. Yeah, I just want everything kind of take out this and then create something. But that's just, yeah, whatever. But yeah, right now it's still shorts until we get obviously a higher time frame reversal, and it's starting to look like something could already be there. So yeah, that's the weekly plan. Look for manipulation shorts on Nasdaq and maybe on ES or Russell. I mean, but still looking for those reversal longs. So, yep, that's